So you might be in this really random situation where for some reason your iPhone is just not powering off. Now what does this mean? Well, maybe you're trying to go through and just power down your iPhone because you just want to go ahead and shut it down, but it's not powering down when you're holding the buttons. Now the first thing I'd recommend doing and remembering is that for iPhones with a notch, in order to shut down your iPhone, you want to hold down the volume up button and the power button at the exact same time. So you want to hold on both these buttons until you get into this panel, and you want to basically slide to power off. That's essentially the first thing you want to do. So hold down these two buttons and then go through, slide to power off that particular iPhone. And like I said, that's the very first thing I'd recommend doing. Now, if you do that and that's not working, an alternative way to shut down your iPhone is to actually go through and pretty much make your way over into your settings like this. You want to scroll down until you see General, which is right here. You then want to go and scroll down until you see this shutdown button that's at the bottom. So when you tap on shutdown, you'll get into the exact same panel once again. So all you're going to have to do here is just go through, slide to power off, and that's another alternative way of shutting it down. Now sometimes if your iPhone is plugged in, so if it is able to shut down but then it powers back on, if your iPhone is plugged in or if it's wireless charging, and if you just click it, plug it in and off sometimes, it'll randomly just power up your iPhone even if you don't want it to. So you may want to make sure your case isn't holding down that particular power button on the side. You want to make sure your phone isn't randomly powering on either. Those are a few different ways to kind of fix it. Now, if it's still not working, you may want to go back into your iPhone settings, just like so. You want to scroll into General, which is right here. You want to click into Software Update, and all you're going to want to do is update your particular iPhone, and that's another way to go and fix this problem. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.